so I'm sitting here outside my shop. And you can see where my nook boxes are all sitting here. I've been working some bees this morning. I had noticed a few scout bees. And then all of a sudden here these girls show up. Now they're beginning to gather on the front. Looking pretty good. Probably come out of one of my boxes out there. Kind of luck I have. Well, I guess it's not bad luck if they swarm into one of my boxes, but they got to decide which one they're going in. They're going in 2 different boxes. Yeah, they chose this old box here to go into. Bless their little hearts. Well, I put 5 frames in there. That may run them out. We'll see. I may decide to go somewhere else now. We're going to find out. Looks like putting the comb in that one box and those 4 empty frames ran them out. They were checking both boxes out yesterday. Well, they're still settling in the red box. Okay, they came out of the gray one after I put the frames in there. That's just real interesting.